Hi fellow DIYers! Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this faux leather key cover with card coin holder inside. It's very easy to make and very functional because it's going to protect the other things inside your bag from scratches, and you can also put your card coin inside for easy access. But if you don't want to use the card coin holder, you can opt not to put it and just proceed with a key cover. I also have a full card coin tutorial if you're interested. It's in the description box below. So let's get started! Open your Design Space app, click these three lines, and then click Home, and then type in DIY by Cess and then enter. And then scroll down a little bit, and under Community Members, you'll find DIY by Cess. Click that, and then click this project, and then click Edit a Copy. Now, you don't have to do anything here if you want to put a card coin holder inside a key cover. If you decide not to use it, just click this and then click Delete. And since I'm going to use it, I'm going to click the Undo button. Now, I want to put my name on the coin holder, so I'm going to click Text and I'll type in my name. And then I'll change the font to Sindentosa. I got this font from Creative Fabrica. I'll put the link in the description box below. I also want to put a small heart, so I'm going to click Images. And then I'll type in heart. So this is what I'm going to use. I'll put the Design Space image number in the description box below. Just adjusting the size of the heart. And this is how I want it, so I'm going to click Weld. Now we can go ahead and click Make It, and then click on Matte, and then click Continue. For this matte, I'm going to use Everyday Iron-On, so I'm going to turn the mirror on. And for this mat, I'm just going to change the material size to 8.5 by 11. And I'm just going to move this piece to save and maximize the faux leather that we're going to use. Now we can go ahead and click Continue. And then I'm going to click Everyday Iron-On, and I always adjust the pressure to more. Now after the first mat is done cutting, we need to change the material setting from Everyday Iron-On to faux leather paper thin, and I always adjust the pressure to more. So this is the faux leather tote bag that I'm going to use, but since I'm only going to need a small piece and I have this piece that I saved from my previous project, this is just what I'm going to use in this tutorial instead. For the name, I'm going to click Mini Press because I'm going to use that. And then for my heat transfer material, I'm going to click Everyday Iron-On or Light or Metallic. And then for my base material, I'm going to click Faux Leather and then click Apply. Now it says here to preheat the base material for 5 seconds and then press the iron-on to the base material using low setting with light pressure and constant movement for 30 seconds and then slowly remove the liner when it's cool to touch. Now my mini press is ready. I'm going to use a combination of E6000 and a hot glue to glue this coin holder. Now I'm going to use a pencil to mark where I'm going to put the glue. So I'm going to use these snap buttons. I got this from Amazon. I put the link in the description box below. So grab the cap of your snap button. Attach the socket to the cap part of the button. Now grab your tool. The cap or the flat part of the button goes to this side of the tool. So this is the keyring that I'm going to use. I would suggest to use a keyring that has at least 1 inch hole in order to fit the 1 inch wide flap of the key cover. Now grab your tool and your key fob hardware. Now place the key fob hardware right inside of the pliers and make sure that it's centered inside of the pliers. And then set the flap of the key cover inside of the pliers, and then I'll press the pliers down. I got this key fob hardware off of Amazon. I put the link in the description box below. And there you have it! If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. All feedback is welcome and any feedback is good feedback. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my other tutorials. See you on the next episode of DIY by Sass. Thanks for watching!